But for her in real life, she became an alcoholic and drug user, trying to complete a 12-step program for rehabilitation. Richard Pryor also. Drug abuse is real popular in the entertainment industry. A good life is about making the right choices. Illegal drugs will wear and tear on the body quicker than anything else will. Also, getting involved with drugs can get you in a lot of trouble. Some people even lose their life. A friend of mine was thrown off of a second-floor balcony. You may get locked up and spend years and years in prison. You may ask the question, is there a chance for a good life after addiction? And the answer is yes. If you ask God to help you with a sincere heart, He will. You will have your good days and some bad days. But hang on in there and never give up, because people will try and discourage you. If your goal is to stop, here are some of the ways that may help. When the temptation begins, you can, in place of the temptation, sing some of your favorite songs. Write a poem, pray, occupy yourself with something in place of the temptation. I would like to explain some of the side effects of some of the drugs. Marijuana has both short and long-term effects on the brain. Changes your mood, impaired body movements, difficulty with thinking and problem solving, impaired memory, hallucinations, delusions, and affects brain development, just to name a few. Cocaine, extreme sensitivity to touch, sound, and sight, intense happiness, anger, irritability, paranoid feeling, decreased appetite. Heroin, withdrawal, restlessness, muscle and bone pain, insomnia, diarrhea, vomiting, cold flashes and goosebumps, and leg movements. LSD, the lysergic acid, diethylamide, right? Commonly known as LSD, is an illegal drug that alters the senses and causes hallucinations. It was first synthesized in 1938 by a Swiss chemist named Albert Hofmann to treat respiratory depression in 1943. Hofmann accidentally discovered its hallucinogenic properties when absorbed some through his skin. As tales of psychedelic trips, psychotic behavior, and random acts of violence gained media attention, production was stopped and in 1967 was banned and classified as a Schedule I drug with no acceptable medical use. Its popularity has decreased since the 1970s. Phencyclidine,
right?
PCP.
We're going to use the word phencyclidine, PCP.
PCP, or angel dust, originally developed in the 1950s as a surgical anesthetic, and the drug was soon discontinued after it was found to cause agitation and mania, hallucinations, and irrational thinking in patients following the use. An overdose can be life-threatening. Just to name a few: onyx, yellow, and purple haze, or LSD. I just said that right. Yeah. Those 4 drugs were the ones I took over 11 years. Try not to live in the past. If the thoughts are not happy and healthy thoughts, stop thinking about them and pray to your higher power. Me, I asked Jesus to help me, and I believe if I wasn't sincere, or if we are sincere and really mean it in our hearts, He will help us. Any questions?